Hey everybody, we're back here at the Henann Tawala. We reviewed it about 9 months ago. This time we're going to stay and update and check out a different room. So before you book your trip, you want to see what it looks like, stay tuned and we'll show you what another room looks like. Alright, this is your courtyard area for the Henann Tawala. Nice big koi pond that runs the full length, along with some chairs and that sit here if you want to have a drink and relax. Like I said, this is all enclosed in like a courtyard area, not out in the open to public, so it's kind of more laid back and isolated area. Another pool area over here, it's closed. See more chairs for reclining and lounging in. Little water fountain area. Another section of chairs with steps walks down to the pool. Also access to your swim up bar. Another pool over on that side. As you can see, a pretty long area here if you want to swim laps or something. Over here, more pool access rooms. Got a little seating area there if you want to walk down in there and sit and pull over there. All right, this is what your courtyard looks like at the Henann Tawala. Like I say, it's more relaxed back, not out in the crowd. Might be something that you want to be interested in staying in if you don't want to be in the heart of everything. This is a premier room with a pool view at the Henann Tawala. See, come in. Storage, safe, shelves, storage for your suitcases, cabinet drawers, got a nice big long desk, comes with a couch and a seat, has a king bed. See a window into the bathroom. Nice spacious bathroom. Got plenty of countertop. Behind the door. Comes with a bathtub or a shower. And then, like I say, this is a pool view room. This time we're going to review a different room. Last time we did a deluxe room. This is a deluxe room with pool access. So we'll take a look and let you see what that looks like. Say once again, you got the courtyard area out there. Go in here and check out the room. All right. Set up the same down here. Got your fridge. Nice big desk there for you. Storage. Got you a safe. Robes. House shoes. Drawers. Go in here, we check out the bathroom. Toilet. Separate shower. Nice. Nice big sink with counter space, putting your stuff in. This one come with a single bed and a queen bed, or you could ask for a king bed. There wasn't any kings available. You got your desk in that here. Got a little table in that for yourself. Then you got access to the outside here, your little balcony and your pool access, direct access. Out here you got a little table. You got a lounger. The nice thing about these rooms is direct access. You can walk right down into the pool. Like I say, this is the Henann Tawala. If you want a laid-back place or a family setting, of all the Tawala, this one is probably the quietest, less party in here. They do have a bar in that here and that though. So altogether, this room probably right now ran about for 2 nights was little over 14,000 pesos. So you're looking at about $120 US roughly. So like I say, want a nice place to stay, this is a nice place to stay. All right, and like I say, this here's the Henann Tawala with the deluxe pool access. Give it when you're in Alona, if you want a nice place to stay, give this place a check out and catch you in the next one.